Monica, how'd you go?
Oh, very well. Thank you, Jackie, so much. It was wonderful. I highly recommend it.
Oh, you're a darling. And what did you find was good about having some live action with your online program, Paint Blooms USA? What was good about the 3 days we've had?
It's very helpful for me to actually see someone do it and, be in the moment and get feedback and back and forth when I was doing it at home by myself. It's, you don't have, if you get stuck, you don't have anyone to go, okay, what did I do wrong? Or how can I do this better? Or what's wrong with this painting? And it's great to have you there to help you and say, okay, now do this and fix this and then it'll be fine.
And where'd you fly in from?
St. Simons Island, Georgia.
Other side of the country to LA.
Yes.
And did you have a good time with all the ladies here as well?
Very friendly. Everyone was wonderful.
Oh, that's so
it
good.
was great. We had no drama. It was awesome.
It was awesome. Did you like the space that we're in?
Yes, it's a lovely space with a lot of light, and it's in the Arts District, so it's very fun. It's a vibrant part of LA.
Yeah.
And so it was great. I recommend it.
Oh, you're a darling. Thanks so much for the feedback. Really appreciate it, Monica. And looking forward to seeing your work popping through to me so we can talk and have mentoring. And when I come back to LA, come and visit me here.
Yes.
Okay, well done.